What are the differences between microcurrent and nanocurrent? Microcurrent delivers low-level electricity current into the skin, which helps to stimulate and engage with the facial muscles. Not only does this help to increase collagen synthesis, but it helps to stimulate, engage, and work out the muscles. This is an amazing technology that I've used for years, and this will give you that instantaneous lift, tone, and tighten to the skin. It will also give you a really great glow because it helps to boost that circulation immediately when you're using it. This also helps to speed up and increase ATP. What is ATP? This is adenosine triphosphate, our cell-to-cell communication in our face. ATP is that energy within our body, our skin. We create it naturally, so this isn't anything exclusive to devices, and this is something I've always said, especially in press, because everyone focuses on the tech and thinks, you know, our bodies aren't special, we can only get these things from devices. ATP is something that we have running through our body right now, both myself and you watching. But when it comes to using this device with microcurrent, this is boosting that ATP production in those areas that you're using the microcurrent, and that is what is exciting about inviting this sort of tech into your routine. This was supposed to be like a quick bullet point part, so I'm gonna stay on track. Nanocurrent, penetrating cellular pathways to encourage skin regeneration and long-term improvements in the skin. This is going to be helping with the texture, tone, and elasticity of the skin. I personally love an analogy, so to have a bit of fun and make this easier, I would see microcurrent as your personal trainer. Doing the workout to your facial muscles, it tightens, lifts, it's like going to the gym and toning the body. You also lose those results, by the way, if you stop using it, like the gym. Nanocurrent, on the other hand, is more like your nutritionist for your skin cells, providing long-term healing and rejuvenation. So, long story, even shorter, this is about instant visible toning, and this is about that long-lasting skin story and really addressing texture and the way the skin glows. Why am I focusing so much about these comparisons? Well, it's because the ZIIP Halo is the only device on the market that combines both of these therapies together. Microcurrent is something that I've used for years. Nanocurrent is something new to me. And this is what makes the ZIIP really compelling to all of us who are looking for different ways of inviting a at-home beauty tech device to promise us the look, the benefits, and the long-term benefits and investment of a device that's going to give us that in-salon experience, but at home and on our time, which makes it more valuable. I'm going to have all the information down below, by the way, of how to get some money off, how to shop this worldwide. So for transparency, ZIIP did send this to me, but with no obligation to review or even feedback what I thought of it, which I appreciate. This is something that this channel, to keep sponsored videos away for as long as possible, I do need to invest in my affiliate videos. Not only benefit from those using my link, but I'll always fight for the viewers, you, to be getting a discount, or to not only give value through my video and my content, something that I've done previously with my work as a head of education, but also to give you a benefit with the cost, because these are quite an investment. And I know that. I've been there. I didn't always work in the industry, and this is something that truly fascinates me when it comes to at-home facials. So how does the ZIIP Halo stack up to competition? Here's a quick comparison. So the ZIIP Halo, you've got the dual technology, which uses the microcurrent and the nanocurrent, whilst also offering customizable app programs. My personal views from using devices such as the nuface, I would say that this is good for toning, a good all-rounder device, but it does lack the nanocurrent and the advanced app features. I also found that the sizes were quite big for traveling. Next up is the Foreo Bear, and this is a brilliant device. The technology, the way it looks, the way it feels, a great device, which makes this review even more exciting. But the Foreo Bear doesn't have that nanocurrent, it just uses the microcurrent. So this is going to be really interesting to see someone who's been so one way for so many years to be putting this to the test and letting you guys know honestly what I think of it. You're going to want to be using a conductive gel. I know online you will see everything about aloe vera, different things. Personally, I would go with the one that the brand created, because these were used at the same time through the testing. The clinical trials would have been done and conducted with only those two being used together, meaning that even if you did get a good result from using something that wasn't recommended, you're not going to get truly what was set out for the device. I know that sounds really sales-like, and I have to be honest, when it comes to microcurrent, I've dipped between the two. I've used a inexpensive microcurrent gel, which I will link down below. This is one from Amazon that you can get, really inexpensive. But I will be honest, is the fact that the formulas aren't the same. And a lot of these are wash off, or they contain a lot of alcohol, or they feel very drying. So if I'm on a budget, or it's a certain time of the year and I'm really skimping out, then that's fine. And I think that is okay, and we shouldn't shame that, just to be aware that you're always going to get the best results with the company's native product. To get to where it needs to go, which is the muscle, it needs to surpass the skin. Without that help, it won't do that, and you will just feel all that sensations on your skin, and it won't be doing anything. It won't be getting to the place that it needs to go. It will be good for skincare absorption, actually, which is another thing that we can maybe go into another video way longer down the line. But in terms of the muscle lifting and the benefits set out by these devices, you're not going to tap into it without something conductive. You'll start with a clean, dry skin and use no oil-based products before use. At first, you want to be using this 5 times a week, and then as maintenance, you're going to be using this around 2 to 3 times a week. I know this seems really patronizing, but drinking water, hydration does improve conductivity and results and overall healthy appearance of the skin. So I am also human doing this filming, and I'm guessing you watching, you haven't drank enough water today. So if you want to be really, really, really good, pause the video now, neck down a glass of water, and then come back, and I'll do the same. And be honest in the comments, let me know if you actually did that. It's something that I constantly remind myself all the time, and I need to get better at it. Stick to the recommended facials from the companies. Each brand will work with different educational teams or facialists to create that perfect routine. So always follow the manufacturers, the brands' guided videos, through their apps, through their online content, and then in time, geek out, branch out a little bit more. When you get a facial done in salon, you can take inspiration from that. If there's certain areas of the face that you want to focus on, you can tailor it to work better for you. But I would advise you to do that much longer in time. I would give it a few months before you start going to that level. And that's something that we can work on in future videos as well. Be patient. Visible lifting does happen fast, and you will get that initial tighten. But like with anything, deep skin improvements do take time. You're going to want to be using this for at least a month intensely until you really start to see that longer term effect, and then it's that maintenance that's really going to help maintain it. It's that maintenance that's really going to ensure that whenever it dips down, you're constantly topping it up so you don't actually see a difference. And trust me, the wait is worth it. A story time, I even got trolled filming a microcurrent video online, and they claimed that I had filler, Botox, that I was plastic. Yeah, so it does do something, but basically long term, you'll see the effects compound over time. So the more you do it, the better that is. So don't give up too soon. But you've heard that microcurrent isn't for everybody. So what if this isn't right for you? Check down below in the description for up-to-date list of contraindications, meaning things that you should look out for and that could be an issue. Microcurrent is an incredible technology, but like with anything facial and especially electrics, you want to make sure that you're not putting yourself or your health at risk, meaning that you can benefit purely from the positives and have no drawbacks. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried microcurrent or nanocurrent or the ZIIP before? Or have you ever tried it in salon? What was your experience like using electrics with a facial? Drop your comment down below, because I'd really like to know what you think of it or what you're interested in. You may be watching this and you've never tried facial electrics before, and some way or another we've found each other. I hope you don't regret that. I don't. Thank you in advance for commenting down below and sharing a bit of info to me with what brought you here today. To keep these videos from not being too long, I'm going to be filming a dedicated demo video on how to use this device live and how I'm going to be using it going forward. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss it. And again, if you want to check out anything from ZIIP, all the details and the discount will be down below in the comments and in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here is a direct link to my skincare and life favorites of every product that I've tried, reviewed, or I'm wanting myself, with loads of info about each item as well, and a video of what YouTube thinks that you would like to watch, a playlist of some of my reviews so far, and my latest upload here.